that has been directed or made or framed by the commission that was set up to change the scenario, to change our perception, our expectation to come. So on that basis, actually there were several times our education policies were made. The first in the 1960s. After that, some points were set or some activities were set in the first NEP. With the time, there will our expectations from all the points, from all the formulas are not fulfilled. Then, at the time of single year in 1986, at the time of Rajiv Gandhi, the second NEP was prepared. Accordingly, particularly at that time, to achieve the social integration, policy say scholarship, expansion of higher education, etc. were framed in that second education policy. So, in the third also, at the time prepared, and accordingly we were, after say in the year 2009, some act was prepared, but this time it was necessitated in the year 2020